Everything you put near her mouth, she'll eat. But
Dirty
she
pussy,
especially
that.
likes her meat.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This video, you have to watch it until the end. You will definitely enjoy it. It's another story time narrated by ITomFoolery. I'll have the link to the original video in the bio. So since you're watching right now, just share the video, help me grow the channel, like it. Now enjoy.
Story time with ITomFoolery presents.
Again.
Would you like to play with my pussy?
Sure.
My name is Lucy.
Okay, Lucy.
Do you want to
Lucy.
play with my pussy? She isn't very fussy. She purrs when you touch her in the right spot.
Yeah,
Rub her
the
here,
spot.
and she'll blow her top. My pussy likes to play with the big black cock.
BBC.
She can keep up
I'm not
with
talking
the
about the
biggest
news
of
channel.
jogs. She'll shake, purr, and love you forever. Just
Grip
give
you
her
with the
attention
muscle.
and forget her never. Her purrs sound smooth as silk. She'll especially go wild if you give her some milk. You can play with my pussy in the great outdoors. When you're
Adventurous.
tired, you can go inside and play with her around the floors.
Yeah? Take it
But she's a
anywhere.
jealous
I like
pussy.
that. I like
And
that
she'll
adventurous
surely
pussy.
hiss. If you play with other pussies, she knows something's amiss.
Is that jealous pussy?
Sometimes my
Is that
pussy
mad
sheds.
pussy?
It goes everywhere. If only my pussy didn't have so much hair.
Go and go shave it.
That's why I must brush my pussy day and night. Keep her nice and clean until I find the man
Yeah.
that is right.
Wait
She
until marriage?
loves to play
No, pussy.
and does as she please. She especially loves it when you tease. Take
Just
that
a reminder,
long
we no
teaser.
buy pussy in a bag.
Give it a shake. Her day you'll surely make. She knows the pussy is the head of the house.
True, man.
She
Once
rules
you got the
over
pussy,
every dog,
you run the
bird,
house.
and mouse. I spend hours keeping my pussy clean,
Yes.
as that's my wish. I don't want my pussy to
Wash and
smell
clean
like
and keep it
fish.
fresh. Smelling
My
brand
pussy
new.
is always hungry, always eating from her bowl. Keeping her full is a huge toll. She's not picky. Everything you put near her mouth, she'll eat. But she
Dirty pussy,
especially
that.
likes her meat. My pussy is very open, but sometimes she needs a door that is locked. Especially if
Bad
she
luck for
needs
the
to
pussy.
use her litter box.
Pussy is so like the community
My
pussy.
pussy will soon be your fave. I have a fluffy pussy, and
Something like
even
that, fluffy.
one that's shaved.
And clean
My pussy
shave.
will keep playing and won't stop. She's truly someone you should adopt.
Right now.
If you don't want to play with my pussy, I have something else to make you last. Come to the barn and play with my ass. Would you like to play with my pussy? Written by Gary Galvin, narrated by
Yo.
ITomFoolery.
The last part took me out.
I
As a
wonder
Jamaican.
what Lucy wants you to play with
No,
next.
now I'm gonna ride the horse.
I believe she teases it
Now
at
I'm
the
gonna
end
ride the
there.
horse, I swear.
You'll have to wait
You play
until
with
the
the
next
pussy, but
episode
not
of
the
Story
horse.
Time with ITomFoolery.
So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, leave a comment, share, help me grow the channel, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.
Down, this gonna go down, this freaking vibes it so nice.